Ladies and gentlemen, please fasten your safety belts. We're about to take off. But first, welcome on board. I'm Michael, and I'm the pilot for your tour. Today is a typical day in Dubai. Glorious sunshine with a slight northeasterly wind. Visibility is about 16 kilometres, so take it from me, you're in for a real treat. Our aircraft is the first group state-of-the-art Concept X helicopter, and this is no ordinary chopper. It's got special powers, and once we're airborne, you'll see just what I mean. Are you buckled up and ready? Great. Let's go and see Dubai. Below is 7 miles of glistening seawater, a natural inlet which has been the trading hub of this region for centuries. This is Dubai Creek, the meeting point of ancient and modern. Look out to your left, you'll see old Dubai, and over to your right, a stunning skyline of the new Dubai. By the way, you may think Dubai's wealth has come from oil, but you would be wrong. Oil actually represents less than 6% of the nation's income. Dubai's economy is driven by 3 industries: tourism, financial services, and real estate, which is what brought me here. It's been the dream of a succession of Dubai's rulers to turn this land into one of the world's leading real estate and financial centres. This resort is so large, the best way of getting around it is by water taxi. Many of them flown in by private helicopters, which land on the helipad on its roof. It may look a bit small from up here, but it is quite large. Roger Federer and Andrew Anderson actually played on the taxi. Below, see the diamond. Sam's also signature project. Here, the first Greek tower is going to have 350 luxurious apartments, state-of-the-art I hope you've enjoyed your flight with me today and with my teammates at the first group. Trust me, you're in good hands.